Hi, this is Stephen Hickey with GIT. Get into technology if you just sign into your phone. And what we want to do in this lesson is go into the settings app wherever it is on your iPhone. It looks like a gear that's circled in gray. As you can see that I pinpointed it out to you. Settings app. Click on it. And what we want to do is, people have asked me how to cancel my Apple Music subscription. So what you want to do is scroll down until you see iTunes and App Store. Click on that. And when this opens up, you will see your Apple ID, like you see partial on mine at the top. You want to click on that. And then the box comes up, Apple ID. It gives your email address, whatever it is. And it asks you, view Apple ID, sign out, I forget, or cancel. You want to click on view Apple ID. And then inside here, you want to scroll down until you see subscriptions. It's on the left hand side there. Just click on subscriptions, and in here you'll see all your subscriptions that you have currently with any apps that you pay a monthly fee for. So in here I have Apple Music membership, and I have GoPro membership as well. So what you want to do, and it says active, and those are all the apps that are active at the moment. So what you want to do is just click on the Apple Music membership. Comes inside here and it says Apple Music membership individual 1 month renews on March 20th 2018 for $9.99. So I got the individual plan. You might have the family plan or the individual year or the student plan. As you look down towards the bottom here, you got cancel subscription. So all you would do in this case, if you've done a 90-day subscription with Apple Music and you feel that you don't want to continue on, all you have to do is just follow this video along like I've shown you and just click on cancel subscription. I'm not going to currently do that right now because that will cancel me out, and I like the subscription and I don't mind paying the $9.99 a month. So this is a quick video that shows you how to cancel your subscription with Apple Music. If you've missed something or you couldn't get in here for some reason, just rewind the video and try it again. It's very straightforward and very simple. If you cancel now, you can still access your subscription until March 20th of 2018, which is Tuesday coming this week. So here you can do the about, subscription, and privacy if you want to just do a little bit of reading, subscriptions, and privacy. When your purchases a subscription from a third-party developer, we create a random generated subscriber ID that is unique to you and the developer. Developers use their subscriber ID as well as information to understand their products and performance. If you cancel all of your subscriptions with a particular developer and do not rescribe within 180 days, your subscriber ID will be reset. So meaning reset, it will be back to zero. So we can get out of there. Just go click to the top right corner, done, and you're back in here. It's gonna just repopulate, refresh. So you can go and you can click on cancel. If not, you can back yourself out of here. So just go to the top left corner, click on back. You go to the top left corner again and click on back. And then go to the top right corner and click on done. And then go to the settings app. Click on settings at the top left. That brings you back here to the settings app, and then just double click, Swipe up, close your app, and you're back at your home screen. Okay, I hope this video has helped you. Please comment and share, and click the subscribe button, the GIT logo at the far right corner of this video, to subscribe, and then hit the bell button, and that will keep you up to date to any new videos coming out. You'll get notified. Have yourself a fantastic day. Thanks for watching this video. This is Stephen Hickey with GIT Get Into Technology. Thank you.